Lucas and Trey riding their bike. This is Trey's second time only to ride his bike. Oh, you're spinning out. I am filming you. Oh, wipe out.
That's why they call it wipe out.
Try again, Trey. Hop on it and go.
Whoa.
Oh, you're going backwards. Pedal them. Put your feet on the pedals and start going. There you go. Alright, off the road, boys. There's a car coming.
How come you're letting me?
Well, honey, I'm trying my best to keep track of you, but you keep going around in circles. I can't do that.
Woohoo!
Push hard, Trey. Get her started. Good job. Luke's just trucking right along.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. You alright?
Yeah. Daddy, I'm gonna go to that blue house up there.
No, sir, you're not.
What?
You're staying right near our driveway. You turning around?
What bill?
Put your feet on the pedals and start going, son. There you go. Whoa, dude. Start pushing, Trey. Whoa, don't lose it. Thank you, Lucas. Trey? Well, push your pedal, son. Hold on. Well, hey, buddy. Turn around and come back.
What bill?